Hi there, today I'm unboxing a soundbar. So this particular one is by a company called BlitzWolf and the model is BW-SDB2. Details are in the description below for anyone thinking of purchasing. So let's open it up and see what you get in the packaging, because the main packaging is just a plain brown box. Okay, so I've laid out all the items you get in the packaging, so let me quickly go through them one by one. So you've got a user manual initially, and this is multi-language and a few pages in each language for the product. Okay, then you've got a piece of paper giving the warranty details, so 18 months on this. Then you've got a button battery here, and that's used for the remote control, which is just here. Very small remote and very light as well, and slim as well, just to note. Button feels actually okay, not too bad. Okay, and then a selection of cables. All the cables that this product comes with are all angled, so that ensures you can have minimal space behind the actual product. So you've got a USB connector on this, so angled obviously here, and this is gold plated on this end. Build quality of this seems good. Then we've got a coax connector, just to show. Build quality seems reasonable on this, not gold plated. Cable quality seems okay. Next you've got phono to a 3.5mm connector, and again cable quality seems quite good. Okay, then you've got an auxiliary cable, again not gold plated, but cable quality seems good. And then you've got an optical cable, again a nice thick feel to it, so cables do feel quite good in terms of thickness. And then you've got a power cable, no good to me because obviously it's for another country. I need a UK plug, so I'll use a cable off another product I've got. But again, if you were going to use this, just to note, it is angled as well. So yeah, feels good. Okay, so let's take a look at the actual sound bar. So it's normally positioned like this, and lengthwise, end to end, we're saying 90 centimeters. The depth on there is 9.8 centimeters, and the actual height on it is 6 centimeters. Build wise, it seems quite good, very sturdy build. And just to show, does look quite nice. The silver finish, and you've got rubber feet, different locations on there. If I spin it around on the back, for some reason there's a wooden look, and it's a shame it's not at the front. That could look quite nice actually. If I come around here, you've got the display on there. So if I take off the plastic that's on there, just to show, give you a close-up of that. Okay, and let's come round the other side on this. So this is where all the connections are. And just to show, that's the connection point for a subwoofer, their own branded one. You've got the USB connector there, the auxiliary connector there, you've got coax there, and then you've got the optical connection, then the power. So feels good at the moment, very good solid build to it, and style wise, not too bad actually. I would have preferred probably a black style to sort of blend in with my existing setup, not the silver, but I guess everyone's preference is different. But so far, so good, seems okay. Okay, so I'm at the back of the soundbar, very straightforward to plug this in. I'm using a different cable from the one they gave. Obviously, the one they gave is not compatible in the UK. There you go, it's plugged in. Okay, so I've reduced the lights in the room so it's not so bright, just to show the display slightly clearer. Now, if you look with the power plugged in, you can see a slight light on there indicating there's power going to the device. Now, on the top, you've got 4 buttons. You've got input mode, you've got volume down, volume up, and power. So very simple to turn this on. If I hold on to power for a second, it just turns on. There's no physical button on there. It's just all glass going across there. And if I press selection here, input selection, I have noticed it's not as responsive as the other buttons, but there you go, it's gone to optical mode. Press it again, coax, BT, for Bluetooth and auxiliary again. Volume up and down is quite easy. That seems more responsive. So I guess maybe it's the position I'm pressing it in. But there you go. And if I go all the way to the max, it goes up to 30. Simple as that, really, to get started with this. Okay, so for the next test, let's test the actual sound levels given out by this soundbar. So I've got it paired up, as you've seen already, with my mobile. So I'm going to play some music via Bluetooth. So let's initially see the quiet level. So 35 decibels when it's quiet. So let me turn some music on. Okay, and let's put it on max. Okay, you're getting about 90 decibels at maximum on this. Okay, so I've positioned the soundbar just below my TV, and let's do a quick test of the actual remote control you get with it. So without actually pointing it directly to the soundbar, okay, it does work. Okay, so that's good to know. So at least you don't have to point it directly every time you use it. Now there's 3 different sound modes on there. So music, news and movie. Let's try each one out. So at the moment it's on music. That's news. Looks like all the bass has been reduced on there. Okay, bit more of a deeper sound on that one with the movie. Okay, and it's connected via Bluetooth, so can rewind. Go to the next track. Okay, can obviously reduce and increase, you've seen that already, and change between the different input options. So basic remote, quite straightforward to do, and mute together with turn off as well. So straightforward and works as expected. Okay, so I've had a play around with the soundbar. I've tried watching different movies on there, and I've watched a bit of normal TV together with YouTube. You can see a YouTube video playing on there right now. In terms of sound quality, for a budget soundbar, it's quite good. I wouldn't sort of put it down in any way, just because of the price range on there, but doesn't compare to the higher end ones, I have to admit. Now, in terms of sound quality, I think these soundbars should really be packaged up with a subwoofer. So subwoofer really does enhance it much more than what you're getting with this. But there you go. Hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Details in the description below. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.